Good morning. I believe it. Good morning. Welcome to Erica, Life with Erica. I think it's June 12th. Yes, it's July 12th. We haven't had power since Monday due to Hurricane Beryl. In fact, we are the only street in our subdivision. There's two streets that are connected through like a cul-de-sac thing or a U-turn looking thing. We're the only two in our subdivision that don't have power. The lady across the street called. There's additional damage and there's no ETA because a repair crew hasn't been assigned. So here's hoping. But my Ipsy box came in. I'm gonna do my Ipsy box. I think it's a total of $243 value for this month. Internet, everything's been spotty. So, but we were able to finally plug the router into the generator, so we have some sort of signal. So I'm just gonna put this up and I'll fix the video, whatever, the screen thing for it later. So it looked like this is a big Boxycharm Ipsy thing. I've not got one this big. It's kind of hot in here, so I probably need to hurry up because we only have one room that's got AC at the moment, and it's hot. But do I have a hair thing? So I'm gonna pull my hair back because this really does make you think maybe you shouldn't have long hair. All right. So this is, I believe it's $33 a month that gets taken out of my account. And you get 5 full-size products that's supposed to be over $100 in value. So for $243, this ought to be a good box. We got the packing. Everything, I had a calendar up over here, by the way. And the humidity is so much in this house right now that the sticky thing that it's not supposed to fall has fallen. It is hilarious. I mean, at this point, all you can do is laugh. If you're from Florida or anywhere that gets hit by hurricanes, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, after 5 days, all you can do is laugh. But I will say that is the most impressive level 1 hurricane I've ever seen in my entire life living on the coast. Whew, it's hot in here. Okay, first thing in here is a brush set. I don't personally need brushes. I got these to go with the giveaway pile that I'm going to have to look at and make sure nothing's melted. I'm trying to... Okay, it's a little leather pouch. And then there's some brushes. And it's... I think they're all for your eyes. And it's by Lars. Alright, and I picked this. Alright, the next thing is Balanced Skincare by Tula Radiant Skin. I believe this is something... No, that's a lip treatment. Oh, that was add to cart. Do they have anything on here from what they chose? Huh, I don't know. Alright. This is in light, medium, neutral. I'm going to try to open it. It says it's Radiant Brightening Skin Serum with Tint with Broad Spectrum SPF, UVA plus UVB protection. I had a friend that went on a boat for 4th of July. And she's lives in Massachusetts. And she got sunburned. She's light skin. And I said, you didn't wear sunblock? And she's like... I didn't think it was going to be that bad. I don't know if this will be my color. It's a serum. It's only a skin tint. So let's see. Yeah, maybe. It's got a decent smell to it. Alright. But she's like really light skin. And I finally got a hold of her the other day. I was being facetious. And I'm like, yes, I'm fine. Thanks for checking, because she never checked on us after the hurricane. And she called me, and she was so red. I told her, I said, you didn't wear sunscreen? She's like, I did, but I guess it didn't work enough. I'm like, girl, you're on a boat. You have sun coming at you from the water, glaring off the water, and from the ceiling. Well, you know what I mean. I said the sky. This is Volition Overnight Retinol Serum with AVEC niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles. I like the little component. I like that it has this little thing on top. Hydrate and intensely hydrates and visibly plumps. Improves the look of firmness. Helps protect skin from free radicals. Soothes the appearance of surface redness. It's not on here either. I'm guessing they didn't. The thing says Boxycharm Passport to Glow. And I don't see anything in my bag that is in here at all. So I don't know if they even did it like they normally do. Alright, so there's that. Whew. I just needed something to do, and it said there was someone at my door, and I opened the door and my Boxycharm is there. Hydrating Serum to Highlighter by Dr. Brandt Lab. Dr. B Lab. So is that Dr. Brandt? I don't know. It kind of does look like it though. So Dr. B. Once you open it, it will last 12 months. Serum to highlighter. You know what? I'll go ahead and use it. Alright, let's see. So it's like that color. See if it shines. Smells good. It's serum-y, so it's highlighting. Probably something we'll have to test when I have lights and we can see. Because right now, it's highlighting because, well, it's a liquid still. Alright. I hope this sounds good because I can't plug it in. Or can I? I might have been able to and didn't even think about it. Alright, this is Lilith UHD Brow Sculpt. I didn't know what else to get. There was not very good choices. But everybody keeps using these, I guess, soap brow type things. This is clear. So I figured I would try it. It's a little thing like this. It looks like that. It's clear. I don't want to touch it yet. And the little brush that comes with it, like a little spoolie. And then it has like this little thing at the end. So that's everything. I'm no longer picking up all the stuff in the yard. Well, I am. I'm no longer picking up big branches. We've gotten them. I tried to get those the first day before the storm came all the way out. So, alrighty. Hopefully I get lights soon. But I just wanted to have something to do and to talk to y'all about something beauty related finally. But we're still in the heat. My skin isn't loving it. My hair, as you can tell, is all crazy. And I will see y'all soon, hopefully with lights. Love you. Bye.